Ever wondered what gravity really is? Today, we're diving into an imaginative concept called waveform ether gravitation. Picture the universe as a grand orchestra filled with a medium known as the etheric field. This isn't just empty space, but a vibrant field humming with energy waveforms. Now let's add some players to our orchestra. Each object, from a tiny pebble to a colossal star, holds a mass that creates a unique waveform in this etheric field. It's like every object is playing its own tune. The more massive an object, the louder and more distinctive its melody. So in this orchestra of the universe, every object is contributing to the cosmic symphony, resonating and vibrating with its unique energy. And this is just the beginning. The etheric field has many more secrets to reveal. Just imagine, the universe is not just a vast expanse of nothingness, but an ocean of vibrational energy waveforms. Gravity, as we perceive it, might be a cosmic concert in the etheric field. Picture this: objects with mass, from a tiny pebble to a gigantic planet, each singing their unique song in the form of waveforms. As these objects get closer, their tunes begin to mingle, to interact. And when the melodies match, when they resonate, they create a pull, a gravitational attraction between them. It's like two dancers moving in harmony, drawn to each other by the rhythm of their dance. But what about energy? Interestingly, energy too has its role in this cosmic symphony. Different forms of energy, light, heat, electromagnetic, they all release their own unique waveforms into the etheric field. This means a high-energy object, like our Sun, doesn't just pull planets because of its mass. It's also the energy it radiates that influences this gravitational tug. So, the Sun doesn't only pull planets due to its mass, but also because of the energy it radiates. Now that's a hot take. Let's dive deeper into the etheric field. What happens at the quantum level and in black holes? Quantum mechanics has always been a head-scratcher, even for the brightest minds. But in our hypothetical waveform ether gravitation theory, things might make a little more sense. Picture quantum particles as localized oscillations or beats in the etheric field. These beats interact with each other, creating the mind-boggling phenomena we observe. Superposition, entanglement, they could all be the result of these waveform dance-offs. Imagine it as a cosmic silent disco where particles groove to the rhythm of the universe. Now, let's turn our attention to the mysterious black holes. In our WEG theory, a black hole is like a club that plays the most intense music you've ever heard. The waveforms here are so tightly packed and intense that they pull everything towards them. Light, matter, energy. Everything gets sucked into this relentless rave. It's like a party so exclusive, nothing that goes in ever comes out. So, in this wild speculation, we've managed to explain some of the most complex phenomena in the universe with a universal etheric field and its waveforms. It's a bit like turning the universe into an endless symphony of oscillations, with each particle dancing to its own beat and black holes conducting the most intense movements. So, black holes could be like the ultimate DJs, remixing the etheric field's waveforms to a point where nothing escapes their beats. What could the waveform ether gravitation theory predict for the future? As we wade deeper into the etheric field, we might stumble upon some fascinating phenomena. Imagine for a moment a world where gravity is optional. This theory suggests that it could be possible to shield an object from gravity by creating waveform interference that cancels out the natural resonance between the object and Earth. One day, we might just be able to defy gravity, not with wings or rocket engines, but with the right interference pattern in the etheric field. At the minuscule scales of the quantum realm, or under high energy conditions, we might encounter new types of waveform behaviors. These might lead to phenomena that would leave even the most seasoned scientists scratching their heads. Quantum mechanics might seem a bit less quirky if we view particles not as independent entities, but as localized oscillations in the etheric field. And what about quantum entanglement, that mysterious, spooky action at a distance? According to this theory, it could be explained as a binding of waveforms at a distance. allowing for instant communication between entangled particles through the etheric field. It's like they have their own private line in this cosmic telephone exchange. While this is a playful take on unifying gravity with other forces, it reminds us of the beauty and complexity of the universe. So the next time you drop something, remember it might just be dancing to the beat of the etheric field.